In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landing page in Systeme.io. First, log into your Systeme.io dashboard. This is where you'll manage your pages, funnels, and other marketing assets. So once you're inside, you're ready to begin building. From the dashboard, click on Sites, then select Sales Funnels. In Systeme.io, landing pages are commonly created inside funnels, which makes it easier to organize your page and connect it with follow-up steps like a thank you page. Next, click Create to start a new funnel. You'll be asked to enter a funnel name, so type in a name that helps you easily recognize the project later. It can be based on your offer, campaign, or lead magnet. After that, choose a funnel goal. For this setup, select Build an Audience. This option is useful because it automatically gives you a simple funnel structure designed for lead capture, usually including a landing page and a thank you page. Then choose your preferred currency. Even if your page is mainly for collecting leads, it's still a standard part of the funnel setup, so just select the currency you want to use for this project and continue. Now, click Save. Once the funnel is created, click on the name of the funnel you just made to open its dashboard. This will take you into the main workspace for that specific funnel. On the right side, you'll see a gallery of pre-made templates. Browse through the available designs, hover over one that matches the style you want, and click Select. Choosing a template gives you a faster starting point so you don't have to build the page from scratch. Once the template is selected, click Edit Page. This opens a visual editor where you can customize your landing page using drag and drop tools. Inside the editor, start by clicking directly on any text element you want to change. Rewrite the headline and supporting text so they clearly explain the value of signing up. Keep your messaging simple and benefit focused so visitors immediately understand what they're getting. If you want to change images or backgrounds, click on the image element and use the settings panel on the left to upload your own graphic using the upload icon. This is a great way to make the page fit your brand or offer more closely. Next, click on the main call to action button and check its settings in the left sidebar. Make sure the action when the button is clicked is set to Submit Form. This is very important because if it's not set correctly, the visitor's email address will not be saved. When you're done customizing everything, click Save Changes in the top right corner. Then use the exit arrow to leave the builder. And that's how to create a landing page in Systeme.io.